Hey everyone, so welcome to the Celebrity Constellation. This is room 3018 and we're going to be giving you a room tour of this room. I've been in this room for 10 days, so I know all the good, the bad and the ugly about it. Let's show you this room. Come in, this is an accessible cabin, so we've got a door. It's not electric on this ship. It does have an accessible peephole, a bell, which most rooms don't have, so people can ring your doorbell. You've got this little table here. I'm keeping my tripod here. And then you've also got a couch, a little thing, which I think can come into another bed, but I'm not sure. Here we have the bedside table. It's got a phone, a couple of drawers. And obviously we've got all of our like little itinerary things. Nice little lamp. Over here we've got the temperature control. So it's quite good. So you can have it on high, low, whatever you want. I've been thinking on high and it's still been pretty cold. So, you know, you've got your bathroom light, which will go in there in a second. Here you've got your bed. So nice big double bed, beautiful. Got a little space down the side. Can't get a wheelchair down the other side. The only other thing I find is that there's a hump here and you can get stuck on your wheelchair. But here we've got a desk space, which is really nice and useful. Also got all my stuff on it. Storage in here as well on these sides, and a nice chair. There's a TV with a fridge underneath it, drawer, and then yeah, mini bar that is stock. This is also extra in case you're wondering. There's also a cupboard up there. And in here there's no pull down rail, but there are a bunch of drawers, a safe and a railing that you can. There's also a lower rail, and then your life jacket's up there, which is a bit nightmare because you can't actually reach them. A few hooks here, and then this is the bathroom. So yeah, we've got a nice toilet, grab rails, phone in here, cord to get assistance, nice vanity area, nice sink kind of area there, and then yeah, they've got a lovely shower stall as they normally do in all celebrity bathrooms. So yeah, really happy with it. So yeah, as I said, I've been in here for the last 10 days. I love it so much. I've never done an inside cabin before, but honestly, not a problem to do an inside cabin. It's just as accessible as every other cabin, and yeah, absolutely loved it. So I hope if you are coming on this ship, you enjoy this cabin. All the stuff are incredible as usual, and yeah, definitely enjoy. This is an inside cabin on Celebrity Cruises.
What you love.